Meghalaya Upper Primary School Teachers Association MUPSTA kalapen tepat ba bahkan sedang ya ke Jingïakhih jongka nadu ke arpo artarek nailur arja arpusan namar ke jingbam sngap ke sorkar jela ya ke jingdawa ban penrong ya ki Nonghikai Adhoc ha ke deficit system lani ban kentiu ya ke basic pay jongki. Habakran sekilat pathai kubor haka arpau tarik unailur arhaja arpusan Uganish Barwa unong aiktin bat USO lamare General Secretary ke Association kila ong bahadian katu katne nak Jingïakhih ke ban sedang haka arpau tarik unailur arhaja arpusan kin sange shipor ban ailat ya ka let nyam puja namar kin don cuti kila ben rap bahadian ke puja kin sasyem dagi Jingïakhih ke bating kibala ban poi sya ke Jingïakhih dak basya Thngan ban pen urlong ya ke jingdawa jongki. Hakawai pat kaliang ka association kalapan paru ka jingkersan bapura ya ki mat jingdawa ka Federation of Adhoc School Teachers of Meghalaya fastam.
So today this meeting has been called to decide whether to go forward with the agitation, and plus as the all Adhoc Teachers Association, which is well known as fastam, has called upon that they'll start with the agitation on Monday. So we have decided today that we will be sending our delegation to join or support with the agitation called by the fastam. See, on the part as it is a congregation or federation of all the Adhoc teachers. So we would like to be a part of them, but we would like to support them under the banner of the MUPSTA as the Meghalaya Upper Primary Adhoc Teachers Association. Basically, we are going with this agitation program as the state government has failed to fulfill our demands. Like in the recent final report of the Education Commission, where it had stated that there is nothing for the fulfillment of the Adhoc teachers. And plus, in the recent August Assembly House that has been concluded very recently, our Honorable Chief Minister and with the Education Minister, they have stated nothing with regards to the Adhoc teachers. And this last August meeting where they held, it was held in the month of August, I think. In the month of August, they have stated nothing for the benefit of the Adhoc teachers. And plus, in the last meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister, he had assured us that the Education Commission will be coming up with some kind of benefits with regards to the Adhoc teachers. But finally, when the education submitted its final report, there was nothing in favor of the Adhoc teachers. And lastly, our demand will be for the deficit pattern of the teachers, and if not that, at least for the basic pay for the teachers.
This is our long demand, so to say. And moreover, I would like to add in this slide. You see, this government presently, they used to call the Adhoc teachers as purely private teachers or private schools. We want to know basic clarification from the government regarding this statement. And moreover, if we the Adhocs are the purely private school and the deficit, they used to say even the deficit also. So why there's much disparity of salary among the deficit and Adhoc schools? This issue is in make the teachers that we want to make an agitation to let the government respond on this issue. If the Adhoc categories were the private, so also the deficit. So why where the disparity of salary is there? So this is our demand. We stand on these basic facts that we will take part in this agitation along with this Adhoc categories of teachers in the state. But sooner or later, we will also have our own agitation if this agitation won't come to fulfill our demands. The MUPSTA have decided today, we just send our delegation for this time. But if it wouldn't come to a solution where all the Adhoc teachers, especially the upper primary section, won't be fulfilled, we will stop this agitation. But this time we have to respect our Hindu friends due to Puja days this time. We will take part at least
after conclusion of the puja.
One day, like 22nd, 23rd, but after that then we'll stop the agitation. Soon after that then we'll start with an indefinite strike, whatever the agitation we will do in the sort of rally or hunger strike, whatever, we will continue with this until and unless our demand is fulfilled.
If you talk about that, it's almost a very long time since a decade or so, but we have decided to go for a full to demand for the full deficit pattern. It's been since 6 to 7 years. Yes, sir. Yes, and plus there is an order which has been proposed by the government itself in the year 2019, where they have asked a proposal regarding the upgradation of all the Adhoc UP schools to deficit pattern.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.